Hello my friends, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about the image view. Image view displays image resources, for example, bitmap or drawable resources. Image view is also commonly used to apply tints to an image and handle image scaling. Whenever image view is added to an activity, it means there is a requirement for an image resource. Thus, it's obvious to provide an image file to that image view class. It can be done by adding an image file that it's present in the Android Studio itself, or we can add our own image file. We can see that the image view in this hierarchy inherits from the view. So, an image view is a view. Let's jump into Android Studio and see how to create image views and display images in Android. So I will jump directly into the main activity, XML, and I will create an image view tag. Click enter. I will make wrap content. I will give it an ID, image, or IMG. Okay? And there is an attribute that this image view should mention. This is the source. Okay? So resource or SRC Android SRC. Okay? This is the resource of the image from where we are going to display a resource this images. Okay, you can see that there are a lot of things included inside the Android Studio. I will use drawable.ic foreground. You can see it here. IC. This is the image. You can see it. I will infer its constraints. And this is included in Android Studio. If you double click on it, you can see a bunch of things here in order to change the image. So if I select this, it will be changing. If I select this, it will be changing to this icon. Okay, but I prefer using things like if you are going to display images, I prefer using the PNG format. So this is included. This image is included in Android Studio, in every project of Android Studio. But if you need to display your own logo or your own image or anything, you need to do like this. You need to drag and drop your resources into the drawable folder. So for example, if I'm going to add this PNG, I will copy it and I will paste it into the drawable folder inside the resources. Here, I will paste it in the drawable, and here we go. Don't miss, all the letters should be small letters and no numbers at the beginning of the naming. So always use small letters and no numbers. Master coding logo. If I click on it, this is my image. This is the logo of my official app. By the way, you can download it from the Play Store, and it's around 1 million user, rating 4.7. Yes, it's very important and very amazing application to teach you the coding and many coding languages. Now, let's go back to the main activity, XML, and let's go down. The resource, the SRC, I will change it. I will click on Control and Space in order to get this menu and choose Master Coding Logo. And here we go. This is our logo. So if I run the program now, I can see that here is the image that should be displayed and in the same position because we are using the constraint layout. And this is the image. You can resize it, of course, by using the width like 80dp, and 80dp, you can directly add these hard-coded numbers. So if I run the program now, you can see that the image is becoming smaller and resized to 80dp by 80dp. Now, let's go back to the main activity. In order to declare the variable of ImageView, I will name it as image. It's of type ImageView equal findView by ID r.id.img. This is the ID of my image. You can make it the same naming, don't worry. Now, there is a very important thing that we will see it later on, which is the img.setImageResource, which will change the image resource to another image. Okay, later on we will talk about it, but this is a very important method that we will use it in the next applications and when we build big applications. Okay, so this is how we use it. We can pass an int, which is an r.drawable. The drawables are integer in Android Studio. I can set like this. So I can remove this. I can make it empty image view. When I run the program, this Kotlin code will get the set image resource and get the image and set it to this. Okay, we can get the image or set the image using this set image resource method or using the src attribute in